Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the headphones and phone. This reduces interruptions. First, charge the AirPods Max above 20% and have the lightning cable ready. Next, on your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon, and forget the AirPods Max so pairing data clears. Once done, power off the headphones briefly by holding the noise control button until they stop responding. Make sure you are near the iPhone and keep Bluetooth on so the reset can complete smoothly. You now perform the core reset sequence. Press and hold both the noise control button and the digital crown simultaneously for about 15 seconds. Hold them until the LED indicator first flashes amber, which shows factory steps are running, and then flashes white, which signals the headphones are cleared and discoverable. Keep holding steady pressure, don't release early. Once the white flash appears, release both buttons and immediately bring the AirPods Max close to your iPhone so iOS can detect. You finish by following the on-screen prompts to pair the AirPods Max and then test audio, noise control, and controls to confirm normal operation. If pairing fails, reboot your iPhone and repeat the reset sequence. Temporary Bluetooth glitches often clear after a phone restart. If problems persist, unpair from all devices and try again, and as a last resort, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics. This step ensures you rule out software versus hardware faults efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.